Welcome to 1670 Whitestone Road in beautiful Spring Valley. It is sunny, it is breezy, it is beautiful. Here at 1670 Whitestone Road, we are showcasing 3 beds, 2.5 baths at over 1,650 square feet. This 2-story home has a downstairs master, cathedral ceilings, and a beautiful flowing functional layout. You gotta see this house. Come check it out. That, ladies and gentlemen, is 1670 Whitestone. 1,650 plus square feet of beautifully maintained single level entertainer's paradise. Don't miss your opportunity to buy this gem today.